How to fix your GPS on your iPhone. Before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you hit subscribe and ring the bell. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your iPhone and then go to your settings, your slidings settings, I mean. And if your GPS is not working, maybe due to your cell phone connection not stable, you can turn on and off, toggle it on and off your cell connection or your Wi-Fi, or you can just choose to use airplane mode. Toggle it on, toggle it off, and if it works, then good for you. If not, then follow along. Next in our checklist is to go to your settings, okay, and then go to general. Now scroll to the bottom and you can see an option called transfer or reset iPhone. You can click on that, okay, and you can choose reset. Now all you need to do is just to click reset location and privacy. That is the last fix that I am aware of how to fix GPS on your iPhone. If that is not working, you can select also, you can choose to get software update and make sure that your iOS is already updated to the latest version. Who knows, there are maybe bugs that Apple squashed on the latest version. Or if that still doesn't work, then maybe your baseband is wrong, or you need a replacement for your baseband hardware on your iPhone. That's pretty much how you fix GPS on iPhone. And that's pretty much it. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until next tutorial, YouTube, bye.